Hello students, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths. Students, in a previous video lecture we have learned basic concepts of set. We have learned the definition of set, unit set, finite set, equivalent set, null sets, and different types of interval and different types of sets of numbers. Students, in our today's video lecture we are going to study about power set and complemented of a set. Okay students, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay students, just moving toward the power of a set. So what is the definition of power of a set? The power of set means the collection of all the subsets. The collection of all the subsets. The important point is what? Subsets of a set A is called the power set of a set A. It is denoted by power set of A, right? If A is a set with order A having m elements, then order of power set is equal to 2 is to the power m. Similarly students, complement of a set, if a set A with universal set, if A is a set with universal set U as universal set, then complement of a set denoted by A complement, right? Otherwise A dash. In the set you will have to write the element of U excepting A, means you will have to remove the element of A from U, then you will find out complement of A. So A complement is equal to U minus A. It means student, you will have to remove all the element of A from U, you will get the complemented of that set. Okay students, we will practice all these things with a few examples over here. In a very first question, here it has been given that you will have to find out power set of the given set, right? Okay, let us see one by one all these things. In very first question students, a set A is given, you will have to find out power set, right? Students, here you can see that the order of a set is number of element 2. So number of total subset, number of total subsets 2 is to the power m, 2 is to the power m. So number of element is what? 4, 2. So total subset will be 4. Okay, we will find out the power set of A. Students, first of all write down phi. What is phi? Because phi is a subset of all the set. Phi is a subset of all the set. Okay, then write down 0 in a set, write down 1, and then A. What is A? A means what? 0, 1. 0, 1. Okay students, now you can count all these things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the number of total subset of a set A. Okay, moving to the second question. B, a set B having the element 1, 2, 3. Right students? Now in this question you can see that the order of set B means the number of element 3. So number of total subset, number of total subsets 2 is to the power m, means 2 is to the power 3, 8. Okay, we will write the power set of B. First of all write down phi, then 1, 2, 3. Then write down 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Then 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Then write down 2, 3. 2, 3. Right, student? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally write down 1, 2, 3. Okay, student? In question number 4, right? In a question number 4, you can see that the power set D is equal to P Q R S. So total number of subset will be 2 is to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is equal to 16. So we will find out power set of D, right? Power set of D. First of all, write down 5, then P Q R S. Right, students? Now we will pair the two elements of this set, PQ, then PR, then PS. Right, students? Then we will pair with QS. Then we'll pair with RS. Right, students? Now we will pair with 3 elements, PQR, then QRS, and then RSP, and then finally you will write what? D. Okay, students, you will count these things, you will get total 16 subset of D. Okay. Now, students, moving to the second question. This question based on complement of a set. Right, students? Here the set U is given. The element of set U are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and respective sets are A, B, C, D up to E. Okay. Here you will have to find out the complement all these sets from set question number 1 to question number 5. Okay, first of all we will find out, in very first question we will find out A dash. A dash means, student, U minus A. What is U minus A? So first of all write down the element of U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I minus element of A. What are the element of set A? A, E, H. Okay, you are not allowed to write A, then do not write E, and do not write H. So complement of a set A will be what? B, C, D, F, G, and I. Okay, students? Okay, moving to the next question. You will have to find out the complement of set B. So B dash is equal to U minus B. Okay, again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I minus a set of B, element of set B. So B having element C, D, E, F. Okay, students, remove C, D, E, F. By accepting all these elements, you will have to write in a set B dash A, B, G, H, I. Okay, students? Okay, we will find out C dash. In question number 3, C dash means U minus C. So what are the element of U? Up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G, F, G, H, I minus C dash. right students? C dash means U minus C, the element of C, E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H, right? So do not write E, F, G, H because these elements are common in set C. So you will have to remove the element of C from U. So finally you are getting what? A, B, C, D and I. Okay students, in question number 4, you want to find out D dash. So D dash means you will have to remove A, B, C from element of U. So U minus D. So you are removing A, B, C. So finally you are getting what? D, E, F, G, H, I. Right? And in question number 5, you want to find out E dash. So U minus E. Now students, you can see that the element of set E is equal to the element of set U. So finally you are removing all the element of E from the element of U. So you are getting what? Nothing. Nothing means 5. Okay students, here we are completing today's video lecture. For more video lecture of this chapter set, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you so much.